name is Clive West and I live in Berrima, New South Wales. No, we've had solar for many, many years, at least 20 years. I think at the first 2 kilowatts of solar were when the state government was offering a big feed-in tariff. We got the benefit of a good feed-in. Since then, they've faded that out, but now we're just doing it because it's environmentally sound. And also, at the moment, we're not taking any power, I should say, from the grid. We're basically self-sufficient in power with the battery. To be perfectly honest, we weren't really conscious of power bills, I have to say, but we were conscious of climate change and the need to electrify everything, which we're in the process of doing. And we've got one electric car, going to be getting a second car in the next 6 months or a year, second electric car, fully electric. Economically, it's been a great boon to us, yeah. Reputation, we'd heard that they were good and our experience was excellent, and we've been recommending them to friends of ours who also want to go through the electrification of their homes. Without any reservations, I would recommend Lenergy. We live in an old settler's hut which is listed, and so we were very sensitive to any impact on the appearance of the old cottage. I must say we're very pleased with the battery itself, but also the service that we got from Lenergy, which was superb. And the advice we received, we acted on. So yeah, we're very happy and I couldn't commend them more highly.